Easy, quick, and delicious shrimp and asparagus stir-fry. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how to make this shrimp asparagus stir-fry in 30 minutes, including prep time. Stay tuned. Let's start with the shrimp. These are small shrimpies, but you can use any size you like. I have about a pound of clean shrimp, and I'm adding in a sprinkle of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, giving that a good toss and marinating for 15 minutes. The sauce is real simple. I have a 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch for a thickener, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. First, I'm cooking the shrimp, and then I'll put everything together. In a pan on medium-high heat, I have a little oil, and I'm adding in the shrimp, cooking and stirring for about 3 minutes or until the shrimp changes color and is done. Just be careful not to overcook the shrimp. When the shrimp is done, remove from the pan. You can use the same pan if you wish. In my wok on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil, 1 sliced small red bell pepper, and half of a yellow bell pepper, and 1 bundle or about a pound of 2-inch sliced fresh asparagus, cooking and stirring for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger. It sounds like a lot, but I think shrimp and garlic were made for each other. Cooking and stirring for a minute. This is really smelling good. I have 3 julienne garden onions, giving that a toss and cooking for about 30 seconds. You can see this is going quite quickly, and you don't want to overcook the veggies. You still want a little bite. Adding in the shrimp and giving it a good toss. Pouring over the sauce, cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and we are ready to eat. This shrimp asparagus stir-fry is so quick and easy. If you are looking for a simple, healthy meal, this is a great recipe. Of course, the shrimp is tasty, the veggies add a lot of texture and still have some crunch, and everything coated in a yummy Asian garlic, ginger, and sesame oil sauce. Simply good. I hope you give this shrimp asparagus stir-fry a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!